Good morning, students. Welcome back to chemistry classroom once again. I hope all of you watched the last video. Today I will discuss the exercise of the chapter. So look at the book. First question is here. What is an element? Basically, an element is a substance that cannot be split into simpler substance by using some chemical process. Next question is here. What are the symbols of the following elements? Carbon, C, iron, Fe, silicon, Si, sulfur, S. Next, calcium, Ca, aluminium, Al, oxygen, O, phosphorus, P, chlorine, capital C, small l, magnesium, capital M, small g, nitrogen, N, copper, capital C, small u, zinc, capital Z, small n, lead, capital P, small b. These are the symbol of the particular elements. Next, which elements are represented by the following symbols? मतलब इस सिंबल के द्वारा हम कौन कौन एलिमेंट्स का नाम रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं उसका नाम लिखना है. K for potassium, Na for sodium, Br for bromine, Zn for zinc, Cu for copper, Ag for silver. Next, what is compound? Basically, compound is a chemical substance which easily split into simpler substance by using some chemical process. Next, what are atoms? Atoms are the smallest particles of any substance. They can easily take part in chemical reaction and basically atoms combine together to form a molecule. Next, what are molecules? When same kind of atoms or different kinds of atom combine together or fuse together, they form molecule. Same way, molecules are the smallest particles of the any compound or element. What is pure substance? Pure means whereas atoms are same, I mean alike. We cannot easily separate them by using some physical process. They are pure substance. What is mixture? A mixture is a substance that can be easily separated into two or more components by using some physical process. That is mixture. Next, classify the following into pure substances and mixture. Air, that is mixture, copper, pure, silver, pure, a sugar solution, mixture, mud, mixture, a salt solution, obviously mixture, carbon dioxide. It is a compound but pure substance, not it is a mixture. Water, that is pure substance, I mean it is a compound. Nitrogen, basically nitrogen is a pure substance. Whereas I have mistakenly written N, but it will be pure substance. Iron, pure. Oxygen, pure. Milk, pure. Blood, mixture. Gold, pure. Brass, mixture. Because brass is alloy and alloy is basically made of different types of metal. That's why it is a mixture. Next, name the method used to separate pure water from a solution of salt. The process is distillation. Name three substances that can sublime. It may be ammonium chloride, iodine, naphthalene, camphor, etc. Next, long question answer. So student, it is not possible to discuss the long question answer on the video. So just leave it. You will try to write and have you any problem, Just comment on my channel. I will discuss later. Objective question. Choose the correct option. Here is 4 options. And which one is correct statement? According to Dalton, atoms are divisible. Atoms do not take part in chemical reaction. The atoms of an element are different from those of other elements. Atoms can be broken into molecules. So among these options, number C is correct statement. That's why I have written T here. Next, the molecules of which of the following substances will contain the same kind of atoms? Answer will be oxygen. So here is, look at the option. Here is the 4 option, but among them answer will be oxygen because it is made up same kind of atoms. It is pure and the rest are 3 are compounds. Next, the molecules of which of the following substances will contain atoms more than one kind? Hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen and water. Here is 4 options. Among them, water is a compound that is made of more than one kind of atoms. Next, which of the following is an alloy? Iron, gold, stainless steel and copper. So answer will be stainless steel. Which of the following methods would you use for separating iron from the sulfur particles? Basically, the process will be magnetic separation because in this process, we use a magnetic substance by which we can easily separate out the iron from the sulfur fillings. Next, which of the following methods can be used to separate mustard oil and water from a mixture? The 2. Basically, when we want to separate the mustard oil and water, we have to use separating funnel. But here is the 4 options. Among them, it can be decantation because decantation process, basically mustard oil float on the water. That's why we can easily decant it out. Next, fill in the blanks. The properties of compound are different from those of its constituent elements. Normally, in case of compound, its properties is quite different from the components. When kindled, water does not burn in the presence of oxygen, but hydrogen does burn. The atoms of an element are all alike, same. The atoms of an element dash all the properties of element show. The atoms of an element show all the properties of the particular element. Atoms combine in dash number as their dash. Basically, atoms combine in whole number as they are divisible. The constituents of mixture are present in any proportion. Next, the constituent of a mixture do retain their properties because in case of the component of mixture, they can able to hold their own properties throughout the changes. So, answer will be do. The constituents of a mixture dash be separated by physical means. Answer will be can. Water containing dissolved air is a dash mixture, gas liquid mixture, like cold drinks. Ammonium chloride can be sublimed. Next, complete the following table. Muddy water, method of separation, sedimentation and filtration. Bran and flour, the process name is sieving. Sand and salt, distillation. The method of separation, that is sublimation. So in case of that, we can easily separate out the ammonium chloride and sand. And the magnetic separation, we can separate out the iron fillings from sulfur mixture. The last point is a true false. Things are ultimately made up of compounds. False. Anything is basically made up of an particular element. Compounds are made up of elements. True. The symbol of an element represent a molecule of it. False, because symbol represent basically the symbol of an element represent a molecule. No, it will be atom. Black coffee is a pure substance. False. The components of a mixture chemically react with one another. Answer will be false. Distilled water is a pure water. Answer will be true. Carbon dioxide is the mixture of carbon and oxygen. Answer will be true. So students, I hope all of you have understood what I have discussed today. So for today, up to this portion, at the next class, I will start the next chapter.